Lucas in the Kitchen is done with strict adult supervision and assistance. Do not attempt anything you see without an adult's permission and supervision. Thank you.
Always wash your hands before cooking. Make sure your grown-up does too. You need eggs, sausage, and bread. Also cheese, butter, salt, and pepper, and jelly. Have a grown-up get the skillets, spatulas, forks, and measuring spoons. You can try to crack the eggs. The grown-up may have to help. Use the plate to crack the eggs on. Never use the edge of the bowl. You can end up with egg shell in your eggs yolk. Always wash after handling raw eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of milk for every egg. Time to mix the eggs up. This is called beating or whisking the eggs. It helps make them fluffy. Add a little salt to enhance the flavor. Ask the grown-up to turn the stove on. Medium heat. After the skillets heat up for about 45 seconds, melt some butter in a warm fry. Place your sausage in the other skillet. Always wash after handling raw meat. Next, pour your eggs into the skillet. Be careful not to spill. Don't touch your half surface. Start folding your eggs over as they cook. This will help them stay fluffy. You may need some help. When it looks like your sausage is cooked halfway, it's time to flip them. A little crust is a good thing. Yum! Watch your eggs and take them out when there's no liquid eggs left, but don't let them brown. When the sausage is done, have the grown-up plate it. There's hot grease, and that's dangerous. Make sure you turn the stove off. Add black pepper to your taste. I love cheesy eggs. Cheddar. Time for the toast. Be careful when it pops. The toast and the toaster will be hot. You can butter your toast in different ways. Time for some jelly. Finally, we can eat. This is so good. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Check out last week's video here.